clearing up, and that's where we're headed. So we should be good in the next 20 minutes. And the rain definitely stopped. I mean, he's been able to, we like kind of like trucked right through it. We didn't even pull over. We tried finding a spot, and he was like, just forget it. So we rode on it and kind of, you know, stopped a little bit. So we're good. We're gonna try to make it down there anyway, and check out what we're doing. Speaking through. It's trying to get out here in the sun.